Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on profile, and after that you can just see in the bottom of your left corner the logout option. Press on it and after that you will be instantly logged out from the application, and once that is done you can just sign back in later or just right away, depends when you want it, and you can just sign in with your email address and password, or you can just connect with Facebook or one of your Google accounts. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.